Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. Now, before you click away thinking this is some complex tech stuff, trust me on this. We're talking about simple, easy-to-use AI tools that can quite literally transform your day-to-day. And no, you don't need to be a coder or tech wizard to use these. We're talking about freeing up your time, automating those tedious tasks, and quite possibly even boosting your productivity. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to streamline their life, there's an AI tool out there for you. I've handpicked 5 of the most powerful, yet user-friendly AI tools that I think you guys will absolutely love. We'll break down each tool, see how it works, and most importantly, how it can benefit you. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the power of AI together. First up, we've got Jasper AI. And let me tell you, this tool is a game changer, especially if you create any type of content. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, website copy, you name it, Jasper can handle it. Imagine this. You're staring at a blank screen, the dreaded writer's block hitting you hard. That's where Jasper comes in. You give it some basic info, like keywords or a brief outline, and boom, it generates high-quality, original content in seconds. But it's not just about generating words. Jasper is about generating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. It's like having an AI writing assistant working by your side 24/7. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The interface is super intuitive and you can literally start creating content within minutes of signing up. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, Jasper AI can seriously up your content creation game. Next, we're taking a look at Zapier, and this one is all about reclaiming your time by automating those repetitive tasks that eat away at your day. We're talking about things like sorting emails, uploading files, or managing social media posts. Zapier essentially acts as a bridge between your favorite apps, allowing them to talk to each other and automate tasks seamlessly. Imagine this. A new email lands in your inbox, and Zapier automatically extracts the important information and adds it to your project management tool. No more manual data entry, no more switching between a million different tabs. It's all about creating these automated workflows, or as Zapier calls them, zaps, to streamline your work. And the beauty of it is, you don't need any coding knowledge whatsoever. Zapier's drag-and-drop interface makes setting up these automations a breeze. Trust me, once you experience the power of automated workflows with Zapier, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, let's talk about writing, specifically writing well. That's where Grammarly comes in, your AI-powered writing assistant that goes way beyond your basic spell check. We've all been there, hitting that send button only to realize a typo snuck through. Grammarly eliminates those embarrassing moments by catching not just typos, but also grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, and even suggesting better word choices. But it's more than just a glorified spell checker. Grammarly helps you improve your writing clarity, conciseness, and overall impact. It's like having a virtual writing coach providing real-time feedback as you type. Whether you're crafting an important email, writing a blog post, or even just composing a social media update, Grammarly ensures that your writing is clear, error-free, and makes the right impression. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with all your favorite writing platforms, from your browser to your word processor. For all my social media managers, marketers, and content creators, Buffer is about to become your new best friend. It's the ultimate social media scheduling tool that takes the headache out of managing multiple accounts and keeping your content calendar organized. No more late-night posting or scrambling to get that tweet out on time. With Buffer, you can schedule your social media posts in advance, across all your platforms, ensuring your content goes live at the optimal times to reach your audience. But it's not just about scheduling. Buffer also provides analytics and insights to help you understand what's working, what's not, and how to optimize your social media strategy. Think of Buffer as your all-in-one social media command center, streamlining your workflow and freeing up your time to focus on creating engaging content. And like all the tools on this list, it's incredibly user-friendly. You can have your social media game on autopilot in just a few clicks. Finally, let's talk about ChatGPT, and this one is kind of a wild card because it can do so much. It's not limited to one specific task. Think of it as your AI assistant for everything else. Need help drafting an email? ChatGPT can do that. Brainstorming ideas for your next project? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to have a full-blown conversation with an AI? Well, ChatGPT is ready and waiting. It's still under development, but it's already incredibly powerful. You can ask it questions, give it prompts, even have it write different types of creative content. It's like having a super intelligent AI companion right at your fingertips, ready to assist with a wide range of tasks. I'm really excited to see how ChatGPT continues to evolve, but even in its current form, it's an incredibly useful and frankly mind-blowing tool. So, there you have it. 5 incredibly powerful AI tools that can automate your day and seriously boost your productivity. And the best part? They're all designed with simplicity in mind, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. We've got Jasper for supercharging your content creation, Zapier for automating those tedious tasks, Grammarly for polishing your writing, Buffer for taking control of your social media game, and ChatGPT for just about everything else. Want to try these tools? Grab the free trials using the links in the description below. I'm confident that once you experience the power of AI, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.